Hello, Shacklet. Mr. Jacobs here. Happy Friday. I hope you have a great weekend and a great Halloween. Not sure what it's going to look like this year with Halloween, but I'm sure we can all have fun. So I wanted to give you a real quick experiment for Halloween. And this will be really quick because I know we have a lot to do on Friday. I look forward to seeing everybody at the field trip, virtual field trip, or at the dance. And I hope you watch this experiment. But we might not be doing a lot of candy this year. I don't know what it's going to look like. So I'm going to show you something I like to do for Halloween, and it's something maybe you can do at home. Make slime. Okay, so we'll go through this real quick. Glue. Okay, this is a 4-ounce bottle of glue, which I would just empty into the bowl. Okay, a lot of people might have glue at home. Contact lens solution. Okay, this is what you put your contacts in at night, and you need just a tablespoon of this, which I've measured, and I pour into my bowl. Okay, this is a throwaway bowl, and baking soda, which a lot of us have around the house. Okay, maybe in your refrigerator to absorb, soak up odors. Okay, I've measured out my 1 tablespoon. I put it in the bowl, and then you just mix. And when you're done mixing, you have slime. Okay, if the slime's coming off on your hands, you need a little bit more contact lens solution. That's all you need for slime. You might have all that at home, and this is safe. It doesn't have the soap and all the other things that can burn your eyes or skin. Very safe. But on Halloween, one thing I like to do is take it to another level, and I will do that now before we go. Instead of maybe buying a big bag of candy, you can get your baking soda, contact lens solution, a little food coloring, and a product I found from Elmer's Glue called Glow. So you mix it all in the bowl, a couple drops of food coloring, another 5 ounces of glue. I have my Glow in, baking soda, and we just mix. And I like this bowl because I could throw it away, okay? And I'm just mixing, and I have one made up with the food coloring, and you can see it's a different color, and it's really neat, and I like playing with it. And anytime you want to store your slime, put it in plastic or on plastic. That way it will not stick. And I want to show you one thing before we go. I'm going to move the camera. To a dark stairway. You can tell the slime is glowing in the dark. So that product from Elmer's makes your slime glow in the dark. So maybe instead of handing out candy or whatever you have going on, if you have some time this weekend, you can make some slime. I hope you have a great weekend, boys and girls, and I will see you soon.